What is good, YouTube? It is a beautiful Saturday morning, and today is the day that we finally pull the motor out of the G. So my dad is currently on the way over. He's going to be bringing a ton of tools from work, so that way we can pull the motor out easily. I have tools, but I don't really have a lot of heavy stuff like impact guns or anything like that. So once he's over here, we'll go ahead and get to it and start pulling the motor out. But before he does get here, I'm going to go ahead and drain all the fluids, coolant, oil, and all the other good stuff, try to get the cabling out of the way. My dad also asked his buddy from work, Hernan, to come over and assist us just in case we need a third person. Pretty sure we don't need a third person, but you know, more help the better. Quicker, easier, and more efficient as well. So yeah, today probably won't be too much talking at all in the video. I'm probably going to cut to a time lapse a little bit later into the video and just show us pulling out the motor. My dad's finally here. Got all the tools. Things that I don't have. And I'm back, guys. As you can see, we finally got the motor out. We got the empty engine bay, we got the motor, we got the transmission, we got the fenders, the hood, core support, all that good stuff is finally out and ready for me to work on. Huge shout out to my dad and Hernan for coming through to assist me in dropping the motor. Now that all the heavy lifting is completely out of the way, I can transfer the motor from the lift right there, the little cart lift, to the engine stand. And then later on this week, I'm gonna go ahead and tear it down completely, get it prepped for the machine shop, send it out to the machine shop, and then have them deck it, clean it up, all that good stuff. And then once it's back, I'm gonna go ahead and purchase everything that I need to rebuild the motor. But yeah, everything is completely done today that we needed to do. So I don't know when the next video will drop, but I am having plans for it, hopefully in the next 2 weeks or so. Everything that I'm doing on this project is done after work, on the weekdays, on the weekend, on my free time. So again, I have a normal 9 to 5. I wish I could just ditch work and just work on the car, but unfortunately I need money to fund the build. So I gotta show up for work, you know? Again, guys, this is my first time doing YouTube. So just bear with me while I kind of get things sorted out as far as like doing the build, recording, editing, all that good stuff. So the whole dropping of the videos might be inconsistent as far as you know, when they'll release, but it's not going to be like some crazy ass like 2 months or anything like that in between. I will be working on it consistently and try to get things done as quickly as possible with the car, because I want the car back up and running again. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching me and just kind of just seeing my rebuild process happen and bring my pride and joy back to life. This is something that I just love. I love working on my car, even though sometimes it stresses me out. But yeah, so the next video will definitely be out hopefully in the next 2 weeks maybe, but or it could be less than that, I don't know. But again, I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever the YouTubers say. I appreciate you guys again. Peace.